Today we're leaving the busy streets of Dupax del Norte and heading toward Barangay Bua, Kasibu, rising to approximately 772 meters, 2,533 feet, above sea level. Good day everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today, we begin our journey at the public market of Dupax del Norte. The town is busy and full of life. People are shopping, vehicles are passing by, and everyone is focused on their daily routines. But as we leave the town behind, a different world begins to appear before us. The noise slowly fades away, the crowds disappear, and the road starts leading us toward the mountains of Kasibu. Join me on this relaxing drive to Barangay Bua, where nature takes over and the beauty of Nueva Vizcaya reveals itself around every corner. One thing I love about drives like this is how quickly life can change. Just a few minutes ago, we were surrounded by people and activity. Now, all we see are trees, mountains, and open roads. Sometimes life is the same way. We spend so much time in busy places and crowded schedules that we forget how important silence can be. Mountains remind us to slow down, breathe deeply, and appreciate the simple things around us. As we continue along this road, the scenery becomes more beautiful with every passing kilometer. trees grow thicker, the hills become more prominent, and the fresh mountain air creates a sense of calm that is difficult to find in busy cities. One of the greatest gifts of traveling through places like this is the opportunity to disconnect from noise and reconnect with nature. Out here, there are no crowded shopping centers, no traffic jams, and no rush to get somewhere quickly. There's only the road ahead and the beauty that surrounds it. Looking at these mountains, it's easy to understand why so many people are drawn to nature. The landscape may appear simple, but its beauty is timeless. These mountains have stood here for generations, witnessing countless sunrises, sunsets, and changing seasons. Every mountain tells a story, every valley holds its own history, and every road offers a chance to discover something new. There is something special about driving through mountain roads, around every curve, A new view appears. Some views last only a few seconds before disappearing behind another hill, making each moment feel unique. Atmosphere here encouraged reflection. It reminds us that life is not always about moving faster. Sometimes progress comes from slowing down, observing our surroundings, and appreciating how far we have already come. I'm stopping here for a moment because the view is simply too beautiful to pass by. Standing here, surrounded by mountains, it's easy to understand why so many people find peace in nature. After a short break, it's time to continue our journey. We are now approaching Barangay Bua, one of the beautiful mountain areas of Kasibu. As we continue climbing higher into the mountains, the views become more impressive with every turn of the road. We are now approaching Barangay Bua, Kasibu, at an elevation of approximately 772 meters, or 2,533 feet above sea level. From here, the surrounding mountains and valleys create a truly remarkable landscape. Moments like these remind us to appreciate nature and be grateful for the beauty that surrounds us. No matter how busy life becomes, there is always value in slowing down and enjoying the journey. The mountains don't compete with one another. Each peak stands proudly in its own place. Perhaps there is a lesson in that for all of us. We don't need to compare our journey to someone else's. I hope you enjoyed this peaceful journey through some of Nueva Vizcaya's beautiful mountain landscapes. If you enjoyed the drive, please consider liking the video, subscribing to the channel, and sharing your favorite part of the journey in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next road trip.